Hello YouTube, it's Alan again from England. I thought I'd just do a quick video of my T Blondie's cage. I put some more substrate in and it's about 11:30 at night and we have some good news. She's decided to come out and have a wander around. I fed her probably about a couple of hours ago. Put plenty of sphagnum moss in, more substrate in. Looks like better than it did. And there is the big girl, just relaxing. Put a superworm in a couple of hours ago, so she's happy. She was cleaning herself earlier, so I thought I'd just send you a quick video. Of my T Blondie. Okay guys, cool, see you later.